Hey, Fort Pierce. Hey, Port St. Lucie. Hey, Stewart. This is Greg Roberts, General Manager of Infiniti of Melbourne, and I'd like to personally invite you up to Infiniti of Melbourne. Why would I do that, you say? Well, let me tell you something. We have a great selection of new vehicles, and unlike your local dealer, we do not have a premium price markup over the MSRP. Great selection, great pricing. Also, on every 2023 model, it comes with 3 years factory scheduled maintenance included at no additional charge. We have a pressure-free buying experience, and you're going to absolutely love it. It will be worth the drive. Plus, we have over 100 pre-owned vehicles, all with a 3-day risk-free money-back guarantee. So take the short drive to Infiniti of Melbourne. I'll see you here.